Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share some of my Creative Time products with you. As you all know by now, I am one of her designers for Instagram and YouTube, and I just wanted to come on and show you some of the products that she has sent for me to craft with, and let's just jump right in. So here we go. You know what? I'm going to start with this one here. This is her coffee paper pack, and it's called Coffee Break. I love this pack. Love it. Anyways, so let me just do a quick flick through. And her paper has a sheen to it, and I love that. It's so pretty. Gorgeous. All right. Up next, we have this one, Let's Get Crafty. And I want to say this is so vibrant. Absolutely vibrant. So cute. And let me show you this. And then take a look at this page, because up next I'm going to show you the coordinating dies that also cut out these images on there. Just a pretty pack of paper there. All right, here goes the stamps and the coordinating dies. So if you were to purchase this comes with a set of dies as well. And you can just pause the video and check that out. And this is called Crafty Friend. All right, so let's jump right into the next set, which is this one here. You can pause the video to check out what's on there. And then also on the back side of this, you'll find your coordinating dies. This one's called Super Dad. All right, and then on this set, this one's called Celebrate You. And as you can see, you can pause the video to check out the words. And this one comes with a coordinating die as well. Then up next, she also sent this mustache stencil. And that is super cute. How many cute cards, birthday cards, Father's Day cards, or any kind of cards you can think of, just a friend card to send to someone using this set. And then here goes the Coffee Stain and Steam stencil set. So cute. And I'm sure you can get a lot of cards out of that. Use it for background paper as well. And here goes another one, Stars. As you can see, that is super cute. Bunch of stars there for you to color in, or use the molding paste, anything like that. Just absolutely cute. All right. And then I love this set. This is so whimsical. Just too cute. And this is called Large Loopy Tag Die, as well as the Small Loopy Tag Die. So cute. And once again, I'll have everything linked down below. And here goes the stitched gift card holder die. Super cute. This one has that stitching around there, as well as stitching on the back side, and this as well. So this actually will fold up, and you can just crease it right into that little notch there. This will fold in first, and then of course that on the outside. She also sent some assorted mini tag dies. Super cute. And then check out this ice cream die. Now you can use it as an ice cream, or you can use it as a cupcake. Multi-purpose here. Options. I love this. And then here goes this set. Now this has a coordinating die set. This is called Fancy Frame Layer Dies. And then you have the Fancy Frame dies. So you can layer that on top for your card bases or whatever you'd like to use it. You can even use this as a bag topper. And then the last one is the wallet die. And I love this set. So these are all the products that she sent in my Happy Mail package. I am so grateful and thankful. Thank you so much, Emma. And like I said, I'll have all of her links down below. Make sure you head over and check out her store. I'll have that link down below, as well as her blog and Instagram. All right. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.